Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kraken King coming back at you, and in today's video, I wanted to show you a free steganography tool that I built this morning, as I had a concept when I woke up, and by 2:30 this afternoon, I not only had that concept in a full-blown, free-hosted website, which I'll show you at the end of the video how to do, and I did also have an ESP32 with a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi self-hosted version of this for air-gapped and off-grid systems. So if you're interested in all that, then stick around to the very end, but otherwise let's get to the free tool. So what is steganography? Steganography is the practice of representing information within another message or physical object in such a manner that the presence of the concealed information would not be evident to the unsuspecting person by examination. And so if you have known anything about history or want to learn anything about history, you should Google steganography and the history of it and learn how George Washington and spies all the way back to the early Greeks used it to transfer messages during wartime or times of peril. So anyways, on to the free tool. So the free tool, if you really want the whole source code and everything, it's hosted by a user named Schmiley14 over on GitHub. So if you go over to GitHub, or if you want, just check the link in the description of this video, and I will have this link right here. And so when you click on this link, it brings you over here to the TeamLegacy Zero Width Steganography tool, which I want to show you how to use for free and should be hosted for quite some time. So what you do here is to hide the message, you do your public message, the text that everyone will see, and I said subscribe and like the video. Down here, I want to put a password in that. So whenever I put it in my description, it's actually a secret password for maybe a school project. So the password is your mom. So I clicked the hide message button, and it gave me the subscribe and like video, which is the original carrier text that I wanted. I copied that, as you guys can see, or I clicked copy to clipboard, and then I have it right here. So you can paste it, and then when you reveal the message, password is your mom. Here's another fresh one with nothing on it. So you can just scroll down. If you got a message from someone, just swing on over and go down to the bottom here to reveal a message. You don't need to use the top. And just go ahead and paste in your message, and then boom. Now this is proprietary, like it does, like I should say. So other steganography tools may not work on this TeamLegacy branded one. But if you're interested in how I built this whole thing and got it hosted on GitHub for free, then stick around to the end of the video. But if you enjoyed it so far, then help me hack the YouTube algorithm by smashing that like button. And if you want to stick around and get early access to cool stuff like this and the original source code to where you could build your own, then hit the subscribe button and join the family, because all my subscribers sit in the first row. So I woke up this morning and I had an idea, and I thought to myself, how cool would it be to make a tool that automatically hid zero width characters inside of a message? So I just gave the idea to an AI. I asked the AI, hey, I would like for you to make a single filed HTML that's main function is to be a steganography tool. I want it branded TeamLegacy, and just kind of talk to it like it is a front-end developer, like a human, right? Tell it everything that you wanted, and then I gave it to it. It gave me that code, which you see right here. If you really, really want to see the code, it actually looks about like this right here. And what's cool is it's free and open source, and you can have it too. So once the AI spit out all this code, I saved it as an index.html on my desktop. Then I went over to my GitHub account, which mine is Second Chances 520. And if you'd like, you could check out Network Chuck's video, which I'll link in the video description, on how to host your very own website for free using his quick little process that only takes about 5 minutes. And you too can have this link right down here and a GitHub account just like my wife does. So if you didn't know, this is the Kraken Queen. And I am using hers because I am currently hosting A Journey Through John on my GitHub account. So it is all the 21 chapters of the book of John, and it helps kids learn the book of the Bible. Really fun. So if you're interested in that, post that in the comments below and I will show you my GitHub repository. But otherwise, that is about how you do it. So until next time, I will catch you in the next video.